So good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we're just gonna do a quick test for the AC compressor. So this is the old AC compressor. So what happened is that some customer had a doubt when you said, oh, your AC compressor is not working. So these are the evidence that you can do this while it's on the car, but still I just want to show it. It's so you can see it properly, because if it's installed in the car it's gonna be hard for me to show it to you. So this is my probe 3. So it's connected to the battery of the Nissan. So I'm gonna put 12 volts. So this is one wire, actually one wire connection. So this is your negative. I'll put it on the body, and then see the wire in there. You couldn't even see anything in here. So this should move when I put 12 volts. So I put 12 volts. You can see it turns red. Nothing. So I'll put 12 volts. You cannot even hear any click. So I will show you. Nothing. So this is the brand new one. So as you can see, as soon as I put in here, it turned green. So there's a continuity. So when I put 12 volts, you can hear it. So that's proof that this is not working. So I guess there's disconnection inside the compressor. So that's the 100% proof that your AC compressor is not it's broken, it's not working. So we will be replacing it with a brand new one. Right. So again, this is just a quick a video of how to prove or how to diagnose in a working compressor with one wire. Okay, we're talking about one wire, because some AC compressor it has 2 wire or more than that. So anyway, so if you had any question in this video, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.